Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and deliver the license keys on your products on Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From there, at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections to start using for managing our store. So let's go and take a look at how to use license keys. What you want to do is open up the help page right here at the left side of the screen. Open up the help page and search articles and find this article right here called license keys. So using the search bar, find the article, and now we can get started following the steps right here on setting up a product with license keys. So as you can see, what we want to do is open up the products page by following the steps right here. So click on products on the main page at the left side of the screen and open up the product you want to go ahead and set the license key for by clicking on it, and it's going to open up this main page. So from here, as you can see, we can go and go to the products content page and then click on the three dot menu item. So you're going to open up content right here at the top of the screen, and from here you can find the menu item for your product if this product accepts a license key. So you can click on that and open up the license key section, and just like that you can go ahead and add a license key to any of your products and use it on your store. If you need any more help, find the article, follow it for yourself, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.